Ever feel like ChatGPT gives you wrong or not enough answers? Too vague, too generic, or just not what you wanted? You're not alone, and the problem usually isn't the AI, it's the way you're asking. Today, I'll show you how to instantly get smarter, clearer, and more useful answers, just by changing how you write your prompts. The biggest mistake people make is being too vague. For example, explain marketing. That's way too broad. Instead, try explain digital marketing in simple terms for a beginner, with 3 real-world examples. See the difference? The more specific you are, the better the answer. Think of ChatGPT like a super smart assistant, it needs clear instructions. One of the most powerful tricks is assigning a role. Instead of saying, "Give me business advice," say, "Act like a startup mentor and give me advice on launching a small online business with a $500 budget." Now the AI knows how to think, not just what to say. Context is everything. Bad prompt. Help me write an email. Better prompt. Help me write a professional email to my boss asking for a deadline extension because I'm sick. Keep it polite and concise. The more details you include, the less guessing the AI has to do. Here's the secret most people ignore. You don't need a perfect prompt right away. Just follow up. For example, make it shorter. Explain it like I'm 10. Add more examples. Treat it like a conversation, not a one-shot tool. Here's a simple formula you can use every time. Role plus task plus context plus format. Example. Act as a career coach. Help me prepare for a job interview for a marketing role. I have 2 years of experience. Give me a list of common questions and strong sample answers. If you use this structure, your results will improve instantly.